Hey gang, questions of the day. Let's get to it. The first question is the buyer still responsible for financing if their insurance company won't cover the house? I think what you mean is, are they still held under the financing contingency even though they can't get insurance? There's not a contingency in most contracts about insurance. It says you have to apply for insurance very quickly, but the lender is looking to the insurance to make sure if you can insure the house. If you can't, we won't provide you the loan. So yeah, there's connected to each other. And so if there's a problem with the insurance, you're going to have a problem with the financing, and you need to get those cleared out. What's the best way to negotiate lender required repairs? There's four options here. One, it just falls apart. Neither one of you want to take care of anything, the buyer nor the seller. Two, the seller takes care of it. Three, they split it. And four, the buyer takes care of any issues. The challenge with number four is that the buyer is putting money in a property they do not own. The way that you would probably want to do that is because the seller has no money whatsoever, and you're having to provide the funds to fix something like a deck that's riddled with termites or falling apart. You want to fix the deck so that the lender will go ahead and get it approved. So those are the four ways that that can be handled. Can an agent sell statewide, or are they restricted by their MLS coverage area? Actually, you can sell statewide as a real estate agent. The challenge you may have is if your state's large, you may be running into an area where you're trying to use one set of contracts that's not accepted, or at least not customary in another area. For instance, in Virginia, we've got mountains on the west and we've got the ocean on the east. And so if you're not used to selling things on the east, then you may be not in the best interest of your buyer trying to sell property or buy property for them in an area you don't work. It'd be best to just refer that out to a competent area, an agent in that area. Got any other questions for me? Just text them to this number right here, or you can email me, anthony.carr@kw.com. Would be glad to answer anything you bring my way. And remember, if you like the videos, please like it and then subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel and it gives me bragging rights. Thanks so much and have a great day.